slides how to put a document that you have, say a paper, and gonna make it editable in Google Slides. And the important thing here is we're gonna make a background, because then they can't move things around. Then you can add text boxes and it will just work perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and do an example here. As you can see, I have my Google Slides open up on the screen here, and let's begin. So what we'll do is we'll just do a blank document, and the very first thing we want to go change is File, Page Setting, go to Custom, 11 by 8.5. And what that does, it's going to fit that image much better. Now I'm going to go Slide, change background, choose an image, browse for this file, and I have this image in my downloads. Right here, I downloaded it from the scanner, and what you're going to want to do is it needs to be in a JPEG file. So on our copier, when you select your name to email, you're going to go to Menu and then hit Scan / box, which will basically come up, hit all. You can search for your name, and then down at the bottom you will see File Type. Click on that and then click JPEG. If you have issues, let me know and I will help you. But now that I have this, I downloaded from my email, I'm going to go ahead and click on that image, and you can click Open, and then click Done. I'm going to get rid of these text box here because I don't need those. And now what I'm going to do is very simply, now they have the word, use the word bank to write the correct Latin word under the pictures. And this is just an example lesson that I pulled off. And now I'm just going to go Insert, Text Box, draw my text boxes. However way I want. And you can copy and paste them if you want. I find it easier just to go back so I can control the text box. Like so. Done. And there we go. Now we're done. I don't have them put their name. If you want to put their name, obviously you will need a text box up here as well. And then all we have to do is now go to Google Classroom. I'm going to come back and I'm going to name this the presentation Latin Words for Pictures. And then I'm going to go to Professional Development, Classwork. I'm going to create now an assignment. I'm going to call it Latin Words for Pictures. Please click text box. That's all I'm going to say. And now my next thing is I'm going to go to Add from my drive. Recent will pop up since I had that. Click on this. Click Insert. And now the next thing I want to change, this is very important, click make a copy for each student. Now each student will have a copy of it. I'm going to change that it will be worth 30 points. I'm going to say that it is due on the Friday and it is due at 3 p.m. And topic, I can set that it's any topic that I want to go under. If you don't have a topic, you don't have. Then click assign. And let it do its thing. Now I'm assigned. Now I'm going to show you the student side of that. So we will be right back and show you that real quick. Alright, welcome back. So we are logged in as the test student, and I am in that professional development as the student. So I'm going to go in and see my classwork, and I notice that I have 3 things here that are not completed, and I can see it is due August 21st at 3 p.m. Now another thing that you'll notice is I noticed I have a new assignment. I got that email saying, hey, I have an assignment. I need to get that going. So I'm going to come in here, click on that assignment, I'm going to view it, and my teacher says, please click on the text areas, type the correct responses. So I'm going to click on my Google Slides, and now here I go. Oh, name. If you want them to practice that. And now I can go in here and I can start typing thing out. So all I would have to do is double click in that area, and I can type it in as we go. And of course these are not the right answers, but I am just showing you as an example. And if they get ADD, they can move it around and get everything going. And then what they're going to do is once they are done, they will hit turn in, and that's done. Now they go back and show you the teacher side here. In professional development, classwork, click on this, Latin words. I can see my student turned it in right here. Click on that. Okay, my student completed the work. Cool. I'm going to go grade them. Okay, and I can give feedback. Okay, right, correct. I can do grading. I can provide feedback with comments, and I can say, anything that I would like. Everything looks good. Nothing is marked up. And I could say, well, please complete the whole lesson. Or I could say this. Numbers 3, 7, 8, 10 are not correct. Please fix. And I could grade it and give them a grade, but if I hit post and hit return, then that student could have a chance to redo that. But as you see, what I typed in shows up here, and that is it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you need help one-on-one, give me a shout and I will help you out. Have a great school year.